apps. Today we're going to be showing you how to fix Google Play services keep stopping. It's fairly simple, so we'll jump right into it. The first thing we're going to do is press and hold the power key on the outside of our phone, and then we will press restart. After your phone restarts, if it is still having the same issue, the next thing we will do is go into our settings, and now we are looking for date and time. On my device, it is located under General Management, and we will select date and time. On this page, we want to make sure that automatic date and time is toggled on. From here, we will press the back key twice to go to the main settings screen, and then we will select Apps. In our list of apps, we will scroll down until we find Google Play Services. Next, we will choose Storage toward the bottom, and we are going to press Clear Cache on the bottom right. Next, we will go back one page, and we'll press the three dots on the top right and choose Uninstall Updates. From here, we will press back once again until we're on the main app screen. From here, we will press the three dots on the top right and choose Reset App Preferences. You will see a notification asking you to confirm, and we will press Reset. And that's it. That is how to fix Google Play services keep stopping. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button below, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos.